KGB! This week, we are learning about the short yellow sound made by the letter A as in ant. Can you say the sound again? Very good. Okay, let's see who can give me a word that starts with Sarah. Very good. Who else? Zayed. Do you know a word that starts with Ant. Well done. And Muhammad. Ants. Very good. Give me another one. Okay, KGB, do you remember how to write the uppercase and the lowercase letter A?
Yeah.
Let's do it. One finger up. 1, 2, 3, go. Top, middle, down. Top, middle, down, and straight. What about the lowercase? 1, 2, 3, go. Circle, up, and down. Well done. Okay, now let's see who can write the uppercase and the lowercase letter A on the board. Okay. Donna, can you write the uppercase and the lowercase letter A on the board? Top, slide down, and straight. What about the lowercase? Circle, up, and down. Very good, Donna. Let's clap for Donna, everyone.